So some of it I realize now, some of it may sound like a repetition from the last session, but please bear with me. Probably you'll get something new here. So let's discuss about boilerplate clauses or standardized clauses, which are um, um, relatively known as boilerplate clauses. Why boilerplate? Because they generally do not undergo a lot of changes when we interact with the other party, when we negotiate. Typically, it is left to the junior most associate in the team to look at them and then to review them. However, from my experience, I can share this with you that these clauses are very important. At times, they can make or break a party or the reason why they entered into the contract in the first place. So let's first see what are boilerplate clauses. Boilerplate clauses are ready-made clauses, which are all-purpose language, which basically has an all-purpose language and which can fit in a variety of documents. This is a definition from the Black's Law Dictionary. Uh, Lawyers in the audience would know that Black's Law Dictionary is sort of the Bible for lawyers, where we basically go to for definitions and meanings of terms.